So welcome to another video. We have just come for a walk and we are in the woods. The sun is just about to set. We've come to put our pumpkin that we carved in the woods for the animals to eat and enjoy. We need to put it up somewhere high because if there are hedgehogs around and they eat it, it's a laxative for hedgehogs and they will get dehydrated and not have enough fat ready for the winter for hibernating. So we need to put it somewhere high up that squirrels can get to, but the hedgehogs can't. So we found this sort of tree stump covered in ivy. So we're going to put a little bit there. We have cut up our pumpkin because with the holes where the eyes and the mouth were, we don't want any animals to get stuck as they're trying to eat it. So we've cut it up into chunks and we're going to sort of hide bits all around the forest, all around the wood. You come up, Emily? Emily's going on an adventure.
In that little hole.
Well, if you can get up there, then go for it. No, further on the big tree, on the big trunk. Well, not on the actual trunk. That's it. Slot it in there somewhere. Perfect.
There you go.
Done. So this was our wildflower area that we sowed earlier on in the year, and we're now just getting to the point where we need to clear it. We've got a couple of plants in some pots, some of which we're going to put into the greenhouse for the winter. So in here we've got all of our cannas, which are beautiful. Well, these are tall, these are red flowers, these ones. I think these two are yellow, and we will chop all the foliage off that it just concentrates on keeping the plant alive. We've got a dahlia as well, and they will stay in here over the winter. And then we've got a couple of fuchsias that I think we're going to put inside as well before it gets too cold, these two. And then what we're hoping to do is trim some of this area and mow all the seed heads in so that we get some wildflowers again next year. So Emily's just helping by cutting down some of our plants. That's it, it's an old sunflower. I think, are there any seeds left inside, Emily, or are they all gone? Are there still some seeds in there? Oh no, they've all gone. Oh, there are. Well, there are a few, aren't there? There's one there. The birds will like them, that's it. So here's an old sunflower head. And there are loads of seeds in there, ready to be nibbled by some birds. So we'll put that in here for them, so they can get to them. So take all this, yeah, just use your thumb to take all the flowery bits off, and that will leave behind all the seeds for the birds. That's it. Just use your thumb. So we've come today to do a different type of recycling. I've been through all the children's toys and had a bit of a clear out. They've got so many toys and some that they just don't play with anymore. So we've come to drop them off at a collection point for the Toy Box charity, where our toys can be used for other children who may not have as many presents this year for Christmas. I've come during the school day, so I've only got George because if Emily saw that I was giving away some toys, even though she doesn't play with them anymore, she'd probably be a bit upset, whereas George has less of an idea of what is going on. So hopefully these toys can be used by someone else and have a new lease of life. So here are some donations that are already at the collection point or the drop-off point. George is getting a bit excited by new toys. George, we're not taking any new toys, darling. These are staying here. So we've just come to drop these couple of bags of puzzles and toys and things. And hopefully some children will get some new toys for Christmas. So here is some of the produce that we picked this weekend. We've got a cabbage, Savoy cabbage, a red cabbage.
Little cucumber. They taste like cucumbers.
Hang on, Emily, they're not called cucumbers, they're called cucamelons.
Cucamelons.
They're cucamelons.
And these are funny pears.
Here we've got
this
some.
one. Look at this. This one.
Yeah, we've got
Like
some
as a
funny
baby.
shaped pears, haven't
Like
we?
as a baby.
Do you want to try a cucamelon?
No.
Want to have a go? Want to bite into it?
This one for me.
Yeah, go on then, put them on the chopping board.
Can I have a taste?
Yep, you can have a go. Be careful. Hold the very end, that's it. Careful, careful. Good girl. What does it look like inside? Interesting.
Ready? Oh, George.
Did you squish it?
Oh, I like
Let's try it. Oh, we did squish it. Was that squished already?
Yuck.
No?
Okay, I don't like that.
They're nice. They're like,
I don't like it.
they're like a strong cucumber. Thank you for watching. Join us again next week to find out what else we've been getting up to in the garden.